Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanilla Art. I'm Anna Vanilla, where I share on this channel everything that I've learned over the years, all my experience in doing crafting, in doing things like knotting, knitting, crocheting, drawing, all sorts of things I share, which I know on my channel Anna Vanilla Arts. For today is this wonderful beginning of wonderful beautiful hat. I have 84 loops, 84 stitches on my needles number 5, and the pattern is very easy to knit. So the first loop we do not knit, second loop we knit with a purl stitch. Then we see this next loop, and right behind the next loop we grab the yarn like so, and then we hold it with a finger, this loop, and then this one we knit together. So basically from one loop we create 2 loops. Now we do purl stitch. This you count 1, you grab the yarn like so, and then you knit it with a front stitch, this loop, purl stitch, and we do the same. We knit this loop, we do behind this loop, and then we knit this loop, purl stitch, and so on. Even if you are a beginner, you will be able to do this pattern. This pattern you can do anything you'd like, not just a hat. It could be headband, it could be a top, it could be anything that's beautiful. I knit with acrylic yarn. It's a stretchy pattern. It stretches quite a lot, as you can see. It's stretchy. It will hug nicely your head. So you can fantasize all sorts of other garments that you can do with this pattern. So this is the first row of this pattern. I'll show you in a moment the second row of this pattern, and this is all you need to know about this pattern. Is 1, 2, 2 rows of pattern. By the way, the needles are number 5, in case I've forgotten to tell you. And now at the end of this row we make sure we have a loop where we can make from 1 2 loops. So we grab like so, and we knit it so that the pattern looks correct. Now this is a second row. So the first loop we never knit, and then we see 2 groups. You remember the from 1 2 that we've made, 2 loops. We knit these 2 loops together with a purl stitch. So then we see a front stitch, we knit the front stitch, then 2 purl stitches, 1 together, front stitch, 1 purl stitch, so we need the 2 purls stitched together. And this is it. This is the whole pattern. I hope you enjoy it and do wonderful things with it, and we'll see how this. So now I thought I'm going to show you how I hide the last loop. So I see like a row of loops in here at the back. I make a knot to secure it. Like so. And then I just follow the stitching here. And then I cut off the excess thread, and this is the hat that I've made. I've shown you how to do this pattern. It's fantastic, it's stretchy, it's warm, it's breathable. It's got some open work slide to this hat. Really, it's stretchy, it's beautiful, it's simple to make, it's quick to knit. Such a pattern, as you can see, it's got I did do the stitching at the back. I've hidden the yarns here, and the color is beautiful. It's pale pink, and the crown, the crown top looks fantastic, and easy wear, easy care. Is made of acrylic yarn, is tactile to the touch, and I think it's fantastic. I love it so much. I hope you love it too, and hopefully you're going to make one yourself, and please send me your artworks so that I know that somebody is doing my patterns with pleasure. So that would be a pleasant thing to know. So let me show you how it looks on the mannequin. This is how it looks on my mannequin. This is a stitch at the back, which is barely seen. Looks nice. It covers the forehead. It keeps the ears warm and covered, protected from the wind. The crown looks nicely done, and I think it's fantastic. I think even the mannequin would love it. I think you would agree with me that it's a very beautiful hat, and it's easy to make and easy to have one and make for yourself and for the others in your family and friends. Why not? So I love it, and I think it's fantastic. So thank you very much for watching and subscribing, and see you soon in the next video, where I'll show you another tutorial of new things that I do. Remember, these ones you can find just on my channel. Bye.